In this video, I will set up basic road bike for position and use video analysis to confirm the position. What we need is a turbo and a front wheel held up to the same level. Use a hardback book and measuring tape. So standing over the hardback book against the wall, we'll then take measurement from the top of the book to the floor, and then multiply this figure by 1.09. This then will be the measurement that I'll take to the bike and will be measurement from the center of the pedal axle to the tip of the saddle in a direct line up through the seat belt. The saddle is positioned centrally over the seat belt. Next, we'll take a measurement from the tip of the saddle to where the handlebars are. This is the extension. I will put my elbow against the tip of the saddle, reach forward, cross my hand in front of it, my other hand in front of it, and the last finger should be at a point directly over the center of the handlebars. This can be slightly further forward or back depending on how tall the athlete is. Next, from this position, I should be able to confirm that I have it using an eye line directly through the bars down to the front wheel axle. How accurate the position is, I want to be able to obscure the front wheel axle as I look straight down through the handlebars. I shouldn't be able to see the axle. When setting up the bike, I need to be in a balanced position. If I'm too far forward, I'll be unbalanced. If I'm too far back, I'll be unbalanced. I want to be able to get out of the saddle and not hit the handlebars with my knees. I want to be able to push back to get extra weight over the back wheel when cornering or braking. So I need to be able to move around, not be too far stretched or too far forward. From this position now, next I'll use video analysis software to confirm a position. What I'm looking for with total knee extension is an angle of approximately 145. So with my maximum extension of 145, I'm also looking then for a minimum knee angle, and this will be approximately 70 degrees. Anything less than that is much too difficult to overcome that dead spot. Now I can confirm my eye line from earlier, and also with my hands on the drops then, I expect to have I can also check my knee over the pedal. So I'm looking to get a straight line with the pedals parallel to the ground. Take a straight line down from the kneecap down through the ball of the foot through the pedal axle. This can be further forward on a tri bike, but on a standard road bike this will be a standard starting position. So to recap, setting up, stand against the wall, feet shoulder width apart over a hardback book, take a measurement from the floor to the top of the book, multiply by 1.09, and this is a measurement from the center of the pedal axle to the top of the saddle. For extension, place the elbow against the tip of the saddle and the reach hand towards the bars. Place the other hand against the fingertips at a right angle. The center of the bars should be more or less at the front of the last finger. I can check this afterwards on video analysis. I'm looking for an angle at the knee, maximum extension of 145 degrees. At minimum, I'm looking about 70 degrees. I can confirm my reach position. Hands on the brake levers. If I look down through the handlebars, I should be obscuring the front wheel axle. Confirm my hip position on a minimum angle of 30 to 40 degrees. Then knee over the center of the pedal axle. This can be further forward or further back depending on the athlete and the length of the leg bones. For a tri bike, it could be further forward, but with the saddle raised to compensate, to keep the saddle height the same, you will maintain the hip angles that way.